Welcome to Ang Mo Kio, your new home sweet home. This beautifully designed 3-bedroom apartment is now available for rent. This spacious and modern unit boasts a comfortable 947 square feet of living space, perfect for families or professionals looking for a bit more room to spread out. The 3 bedrooms offer ample space for all your furniture, and the 2 bathrooms ensure that everyone has their own private space. The apartment features a bright and open floor plan, with large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, making it perfect for cooking and entertaining. The location of this apartment is simply unbeatable. Located in the heart of Ang Mo Kio, it is just minutes away from shopping centers, supermarkets, restaurants, and transportation. The area offers a wide variety of amenities, making it easy to enjoy all that Singapore has to offer. 4-minute walk to Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park, 5-minute walk to Tek Gi Court Market and Food Center, 9-minute walk to Kebun Baru Market and Food Center, 10-minute walk to Ang Mo Kio Hub and MRT Station. Don't miss out on this opportunity to live in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in Singapore. Contact Ray